Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember, you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook, yeah, you can find me at Erica Shackford. Also on TikTok, you can find me at Fanika LKG, same spelling right around that is on the YouTube. So yeah guys, on the menu today we're gonna cook some liver with yam and pumpkin and dumpling that I will make today, guys. I wanted to get some other stuff, but they were currently not available in the market. So put more water pan. I'm sure I need liver. Liver. And they made it feel buy so much. Hello. Something I like in liver. I prefer it more than the kidney. I go change the water away, I go cut them up and then change the water. So, hey guys, stay tuned. Stop it. Alright, stop it. Alright, stop. Alright guys, so I have some just finished clean up the liver, everything guys. So me I go season it up. Me I go put more vinegar pan it again. I'm just I will use some Maggi
season up chicken season. We got a chicken liver this, guys. And some jerk sauce. We have some jerk sauce in here. Right, that. I'm gonna put some other, just a little jerk, but season to the bone. And I'm gonna put little soy sauce. Spice it up. Put soy sauce. Mix it around. So I'll put like half of this. I really like when too much onion make my food. This is enough. That's enough. Tomato. Alright, stop it, Jake. That's very good already. I should don't cook. Oh, yes, right.
Yeah. Not a satisfaction.
sitting will take long to cook, no. I'm not sitting will take long to cook. Uh-uh. Oh. You know that me look funny a while ago and I say, but no chicken liver you say? Uh-uh. Oh, Moje. Really? Kaya lang siya, minapasang siya. Kahit me notice me alisin. Oh, nako, okay.
Why when you get young, all kind of something happen to you, man?
When I get when I get young or when I get old. Alright guys, so the liver finish. May I get the other stuff then cook. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Piece of pumpkin. Vanilla give me a problem or something. I'm not too like the new vanilla plain. It's a piece of yellow yam. I want to have a look. Even nice. It's a yellow yam. It's pretty. Hello. So, what is this? That's a bit. What is that now? Something that I mean, I like it. Yeah, what's happening? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, let's stop. go trouble nails business. Guys, we need some flowers, so yeah, so I need a flower. Need a flower. I don't normally need it already, but through my fingernail. I want false nail on the fingernail, yeah, give me a one. I don't think me I do about no nails business, you know. But I may buy press on, or just go with my natural nails. Because when me not want no nails, nothing bother my finger, you know. I don't want nothing bother me right now. Because it catch on. I like it, I lift the natural nails underneath it too. Tap pain me. I think I'm going to need no more further than this. We hardly eat dumpling here. When we cook the dumpling, when we cook the dumpling done too quick. I'm always left back. What heap always left? What heap? Let the water. Guys, the water boil up. Zoom in and make them see water. Yeah, guys. See in my pot a boil. Pot a bubble, pot a bubble. And the fingernail. Now go use scissors and dig here. See how my dumplings see.